So which is the right CRM system or software for your law firm? Well, it all depends on what you want to do. Let's go through a couple of scenarios, give you some ideas. You may find you don't even need a CRM system at all. My name's Simon McNidder from Database First Aid. I've been helping law firms with their CRM headaches for over 20 years. Scenario 1. Let's say you've got lists all over the place. What do you do? Well, your best bet is to pull them all together into one single spreadsheet. So, for example, you've got a contact in there. Maybe that contact was in 4 different lawyers' lists or on 5 mailing lists. You've now got them in once and you know that 4 people know them and they're on 5 mailing lists. Scenario 2. Maybe you want to say, I need to send all my contacts a monthly newsletter, or I need to be able to easily send a subset of my database an invite to a networking morning. Well, you need an email tool, not a big CRM system or a small one. A well-known email tool is MailChimp, very widely supported, used all over the place. There'll always be someone that can support you with whatever query you've got with MailChimp. Scenario 3. If you want one central store of all of your BD in your firm, you need a CRM system. They can store your networking, your meetings, your everyday Outlook correspondence, all your mailing lists and who's clicking on what, all your event invites and who's coming to what events, your bids, your pipelines, any projects or initiatives you might have, they're all centrally stored. There are big ones, there are small ones, there are cheap ones, there are expensive ones. There are ones you have to manage yourself after you've bought them and ones that are fully managed for you, complete hand-holding. And I'll go into those sorts of things in another blog. I hope that's been an interesting few minutes for you. Thank you very much.